Today I am going to discuss about one of the examples related to the for loop. The question is something like that. Write a program to display the multiple or you can say the table of 6, anyone 6, 7, 10, whatever, using for loop. Okay, using for loop. So our output is similar to like this: 6 into 1 is equals to 6, 6 into 2 is equals to 12, something like that. Okay, so how to get that flowing output? Okay, so in we are using the concept of C programming. In C programming we are using the concept of for loop. Okay, so we have a library functions, standard input output dot h. Okay, then we have main functions. Okay, so first we declare that first we want what any one the 6 is my fixed number. Okay, so we have to declare any variables. Okay, any variables, just I'm giving the variable name is a is equals to 6, or you can use the user input values. User input means you can use the concept of scanables. Then after that we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. So there is that one more variable is also required, int. So I just consider the int I. Okay. So after that 6 into I is equals to something. So the multiplication of both. So I am going to consider one more variables, int mul, multiplication. You can declare any variables. Okay. So we have a 3 variables, a is equals to 6, I for the loop, and this is for the multiplication. So how to use in the for loop? So because and this loop is always start from the, we know that it always start from 1 to how much, up to 10. Okay, so you have to give the range. So I start from 1 to 10, and each number is increment by 2, increment by not 2, increment by 1. Okay, so we have to use I plus plus. Okay, so I equals to 1, I less equals to 10, I plus plus. After that, okay, so this is my range. This is range to 1 to 10. After that we require what? 6 into 1 is equals to 6, something like that. Okay, so before doing, so I want the final result what? 6. So 6 is what? Mul. So I'm just taking the variable mul in. Okay, you can take any variable. So mul is just to. So we have a into I value is 1, 2, 3, something like that. So a is my 6 into I. Okay, so some result value will be stored in the this variables. Okay, so we have to display in this format. How to display? So this is my number. So we can consider this as a percentage. So this is my variables. Okay, so just we can write what. So we can just print that statement. After that we have a number also. Again we have to use percentage. Then I am using a space. Okay. Then we have to print equal to. Okay. Then we have to finally print what? Number. So in this format we have to use inside the printf. So how to write these statements? So we can write something like that. Printf. Okay, so first what we want? First we want number. Okay, then first we write percentage /t. Then we want what? Start. Start is just we have to print a start. So we write start follow with /t. Why I am writing /t? For a space. If you don't want so you can remove from here. Okay, otherwise we can write /t or /n or whatever. Okay, then start. After that we want number 1, 2, 3. So this is the number. Then you have to use percentage /t. Okay, then you have to print what? Equal to also. Then write equal to /t. Okay, so we are so this is for number, this is for star, this is for number, this is for equal to, and finally we want what? Result. So result is my what? Result is also my number. Then I am writing percentage d. Okay, then I am writing /n, because after one complete table is completed, this suppose 6 into 1 by 1, then after it is going to next line. That's why I am using /n. Okay, So this is which variable? 6. 6 is my which variable? 6 is my a variable. Then I am writing a comma. So after that, it is going to print a star. Then we have a number percentage d. This means what? It is going to take the range value I. Then you write I. Then so this becomes what? 6 into I. It means 1 equals to is just we are printing equal to. Then we have a result. So I am storing the result value in the mul variables. Okay. So just printing that variables mul. Okay. Okay. So in this way we will get our final result. Okay. Then return 0. Okay, so this is a simple concept. Otherwise, you can use the scanf also here. Okay, just I'm giving the fixed value. If you want to multiple 6, any means you can write the scanf concept and then you can write. So I variables, one variable is another variable is mul. Okay, so this is for the table. Start from 1 to 10. Each value is increment by 1. Okay, so just I'm storing a is my 6 into I means what? I value is taken from here, stored into one variables, another variables. So just printing this. Okay, so just printing percentage slash this. Okay, in this way we can solve. Okay, so we can write the program for the tables. Okay, please subscribe my channel. The channel name is S and S Lab. Thank you so much.